start by reading the Acknowledgement of Country. We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognise their continuing connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging. Today, Monday, 1st of November, all classes in years Prep to 6 return to face-to-face learning. We are so thrilled to be back at school. Here is our national anthem.
Australians on their tiles rejoice, for we are young and free. With golden soil and laboratory, our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, our beauty rich and rare. In this page that every stage abounds Australia there. In joyful strength and let us sing about Australia there. Beneath our radiant satin cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth the most renowned of all the lands. For those who come across the seas, we found this place to share. With courage let us all combine to vast Australia fair. In joyful strength and let us sing about Australia fair.
Here is Miss McCann with a message for all our students and families.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our favourite place in the whole world. Welcome back our Lyndhurst family. It is so lovely to see you all this morning. Everybody's back, smiles on their faces. Your uniform looks absolutely beautiful, so please keep it up. Just a little message to say welcome back. Enjoy seeing your friends, enjoy seeing your teachers. Remember your beautiful manners, and remember you're going to have to do a lot of smiling with your eyes with me. Bye.
Thank you, Miss McCann.
Thank you, Miss Fuki. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tom and I'm the school captain. Our healthy habit for week 5 and 6 is self-discipline. Self-discipline means that you're in control of what you say and do. You can take care of things without being told. You can demonstrate hard work and commitment to purpose. A few reminders for all students. Hats must be worn at recess and lunchtime. All students must bring drink bottles to school each day. The dry creek bed will stay out of bounds until further notice.
How are you going with guessing who's who in our staff baby photos? Here are last week's answers.
Memories light the corners of my mind. Misty watercolor memories.
Thank you everyone. Enjoy the Melbourne Cup public holiday tomorrow. We'll see you all back at school on Wednesday.